Please all stand and let us pray.
Angel of God, Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Good morning, grade 1.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, do you want to energize yourself?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I have here an energizer to boost your energy. And you need to do is to dance and sing. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. It's me, it's me, it's me,
It's me,
it's me, it's me.
who builds community. It's me, it's me, it's me who builds community. It's me who builds community. La la la. Roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea. Roll over the sea, roll over
Dance, Teresa.
It's you who builds community. It's you, it's you, it's you who builds community. It's you, it's you, it's you who builds community. It's you who builds community. La la la.
Did you energize grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now, who among you know some classroom rules? Yes, Teresa?
Be quiet.
Okay, music, cooperate with your group. Okay, now, this is our classroom rules and I will read it first, then you follow. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Classroom norms.
Classroom norm.
Give your best effort.
Give your best effort.
Respect other space.
Respect other space.
Open to feedback.
Open to feedback.
Obey directions.
Obey directions.
Teamwork matters.
Teamwork matters.
Okay, now I have here 8 words and you are going to read it after me. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Represent.
Represent.
Happy.
Happy.
Person.
Person.
Museum.
Museum.
Specific.
Specific.
This row.
Represent. Happy. Person. Museum. Specific.
This row.
Represent. Happy. Person. Museum. Specific.
Okay, very good. Now, who among you still remember our last discussion? Now, what is our last discussion yesterday? Yes, Teresa?
It's all about arts that we can see and created by people.
Okay, very good. Now, I have here an activity to know if you really understand our last discussion yesterday. Now, I will read the direction first, then you follow. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Directions.
Directions.
Wave your hand
Wave your hand
if the picture tells
if the picture tells
that the art is all around
that the art is all around
and it's created by different people.
and is created by other people.
And stamp your feet if not.
And stamp your feet if not.
Okay, now based from the first picture, what is this? Yes, Teresa Lee? stamp your feet. Now it seems you really understand our last discussion yesterday. And now I have here a picture and I want you to observe this picture and later on I will ask questions that clear grade 1.
Yes, teacher.
Now, what is in the picture? Yes, Teresa?
A girl.
Now, what is this?
A picture frame.
Okay, very good. Now, have you seen a picture frame?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, have you ever experienced to have a picture frame? Yes, Julius?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
At home.
Very good. Now, where do we usually see this picture frame? Yes, Julius?
In the wall of the house, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, what do you think is the purpose of picture frame? Yes, Teresa?
To display our happy moments and memories.
Okay, very good. Now, do you think picture frame is important to us?
Yes, teacher.
Why do you say so that the picture frame is important to us?
Because picture frames can display and can display our happy memories.
Okay, very good. Picture frame help us to remember our happy moments in life. Now, I will group you into 3 groups. And this is the direction of group 1. I will read it first. Then you follow. But before that, I have here a picture. And I want you to observe this picture and later on I will ask a question. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, what did you see in the first picture?
Me, teacher.
Yes, Teresa?
There's a girl in the picture, teacher.
Okay, there's a girl in the picture now. What did you see in the first picture?
There's a one-person teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, where do we usually this kind of drawing?
In the house or in a museum, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, do you ever experience to create this kind of drawing?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, how many person in the inside of the drawing?
A one picture only.
Okay, very good. Now, what part of the body did you see in the picture?
A head and shoulder.
Okay, very good. Head, shoulder,
Head to
and
shoulder.
also hair. And if the drawing or painting has one person, then we only see the head, hair, and the shoulder of the person. What do we call it?
A portrait, teacher.
Okay, this is a portrait. Now, therefore, what is portrait?
Portrait is an art that represents a one person or a specific person picture.
Please repeat the answer of Teresa Lynn Muesli. Yes, Muesli.
One person. The picture has one person picture.
Okay, very good. Now, therefore, how can we distinguish and identify the portraits? Yes, Teresa Lynn?
We can identify portrait if it has only represent and has only one person or a specific person.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Now, we can identify
We can identify
the different kinds of drawing,
different kinds of drawing,
portraits,
portraits.
if it's shown
If it's shown
a one person
a one person
or represent a specific person.
or represent a specific person.
Stand here, grade 1.
Yes, teacher.
Now, how about let's proceed to the second picture. What did you see in the second picture? Yes, Teresa Lynn?
A for kids teacher.
Okay, there are 4 kids. Now, where do you usually see this kind of drawing?
In our house, teacher.
Okay, now, have you ever experienced to create this kind of drawing?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, how many persons did you see in the picture?
For teacher.
Please come here in front and count. Come here in front, please count the person here inside the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 persons. Now, if the drawing or portrait has more person and what do you think is the part of the body usually see inside of the drawing?
A whole body teacher.
Okay, very good. We see a whole body of the person. Now, if the drawing or portrait has more person and we see the whole body of the person, what do we call it?
A family portrait teacher.
Okay, please come here in front and paste it in the board. Teresa Lynn. Therefore, what is family portrait? Yes, Teresa Lynn.
Teacher, it is a portrait that has a two or more persons in a drawing, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now please read. We can identify
We can identify
the different kinds of family drawing
the different kinds of family drawing portraits
if it's shown
if it's shown
2 or more persons.
two or more persons.
Again, how can we identify the different kinds of family portraits?
We can identify the different kinds of family portraits if it shows a two or more person.
Okay, very good. Now, do you understand our topic this morning? Okay, very good. Now, how can we distinguish and identify the portraits and family portraits? Yes, Teresa?
We can identify the different kinds of portrait if a portrait shown one person or represent a specific person, and if a family portrait shown a two person or more person.
Okay, now please read. We can distinguish
We can distinguish
and identify the portraits
and identify the portrait
if it shown one person
if it's shown a one person
or represent a specific person.
or represent a specific person.
And family portraits
And family portrait
if it shown a 2 or more person.
if it's shown a two or more person.
Do you understand our topic this morning, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Now, I will group you into 3 groups. And this is the direction of group 1. I will read it first, then you follow. Directions.
Direction.
Identify the picture
Identify the picture.
and put a smiley face
Put a smiley face.
if it shown a portrait
If it's shown a portrait.
and put an sad face
And put a sad
if
face.
it is shown
If it's shown
direction of group 2. Directions.
Directions.
Identify the picture
Identify the picture
and put it in the right column.
and write it in the and put it in the right column.
Start here, group 2.
Yes, teacher.
Here is the direction of group 3. Directions.
Directions.
Identify the picture
Identify the picture
and heart if it is shown.
and heart if it's shown
A portrait
and
circle if it's shown a family portrait.
circle if it's shown a family portrait.
Start here, grade 1.
Yes,
Now, to
teacher.
assess your work, this is the criteria.
Criteria.
Correctness of 4, 10 points.
Correctness of 4, 10 points.
Presentation, 5 points.
Presentation, 5 points.
Time management, 5 points.
Time management, 5 points.
The total of 20 points.
Total of 20 points.
Now, this is the envelope of group 1 and group 2, group 3. But before you open your activity, who among you know some group rules? Yes, Leslie? Cooperate with your group. Yes, Teresa?
Participate with your group.
Okay, now this is our group rules. I will read it first, then you follow. Group activity rules.
Group activity rules.
Cooperate with your group.
Cooperate with your group.
Follow the given time.
Follow the given time.
Minimize your voice.
Minimize your voice.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Review your works.
Review your work.
Start here, grade 1.
Yes, teacher.
Now, I will give you 5 minutes to do your work. You may now start. Are you done?
Yes.
Children,
Yes, teacher.
please face your work here in front. And choose one representative to present your work. Please face your work here in front. Now, who will be the presenter of group 1? Please present your work here in front.
Group 1. Direction. Identify the picture and put a copy paste to a portrait and put a heart into a family portrait. Number 1, heart. Number 2, heart. Smiley face. Number 4, heart. And number 5, smiley face.
Okay. Now, do you think group 1 answer is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Do you think this picture shows a family portrait?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. How about the second one?
A family portrait, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the third one? Do you think it is a portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, how about the number 4? Do you think this is a family portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the fifth one? Do you think this is a portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, correctness of work, 10 points. Presentation, 5 points. Time management, 5 points. The total of 20 points. Please give 5 claps to group 1. Now, do you think this picture is portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this picture? Do you think they are family portraits?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, correctness of work, 10 points. Presentation, 5 points. Time management, 5 points. The total of 20 points. Please give 5 claps to group 2. Okay. Now, do you think this picture is portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about this picture? Do you think this is a family portrait?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Do you think this picture is portrait?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. Now, do you think this picture is family portrait?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very- How about the last one? Do you think this is a portrait?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. Now, I will correctness of work, 10 points. Presentation, 5 points. Time management, 5 points. A total of 20 points. Please give 5 claps to group 3. Okay. Now, I have here another activity to know if you really understand our topic this morning. Now, I will read the direction first, then you follow. Directions.
Direction.
Click the correct answer.
Correct.
Click the right answer.
And please look at the picture. Do you think it is a portrait or family portrait? Yes, Julius?
Family portrait.
Please come here in front and click your answer. Okay, very good. The picture shows a family portrait. How about the second one? Yes, Teresa, please come here in front and click your answer. Okay, very good. The picture shows a portrait. Now, how about the third one? Yes, Miss Lee, please come here in front and click your answer.
Family portrait, teacher.
Please click your answer. Okay, very good. The picture showing family portrait. How about the last one? Yes, Miss Lee, please come here in front and click your answer.
Portrait, teacher.
Okay. Okay, very good. The picture shows a portrait. How about this one? Yes, Julius, please come here in front and click your answer. Please come here in front and click your answer.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, very good. The picture shows a family portrait. Now, how can we distinguish and identify the portraits and family portraits? Yes, Teresa Lynn?
We can distinguish and identify portraits if it shows one picture or a specific person. while family portrait shows two or more persons in the drawing.
Okay, who wants to repeat the answer of Teresa Lee? Yes, Muesli. Please repeat the answer of please repeat the answer of Teresa Lee.
The portrait is one picture and the family picture has two or more.
Okay, very good. Now please read. We can distinguish
We can distinguish
and identify the portraits
the portrait
if it shows
if it shows
one person or represent a specific person,
one person or specific person,
and family portrait
and family portrait
if it shows
if it shows
a two or more person.
a two or more person.
Okay, very good. Now, do you want to play grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the mechanics of our game. I will read it first. Pick me. The title of our game is Pick Me. The mechanics is the class will divide into two groups. The teacher show a number and the student will choose each number. Choose one and each number have a picture. The students will identify the picture shown a portrait or family portraits. The next group will dance. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, I have here an activity. And I will read the direction first, then you follow. Directions.
Direction.
Encircle the correct answer.
Circle the correct answer.
Please get your paper.
Yes.
I will read the question. What kind of drawing is this? Look at the picture. A. Portraits. B. Portraits of friends. B. Family portraits. D. None of the above. Are you done, grade 1?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now look at the picture and what kind of drawing is this? A. Portraits. B. Portraits of friends. C. Family portraits. D. None of the above. Are you done, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now look at the picture. What kind of drawing is this? A. Portraits. B. B. Portraits of friends. C. Family portraits. D. None of the above. 4. Drawing shown in family portraits except. Look at the 4 picture. A. 1 and 2. B. 4. C. 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3. Are you done, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is for the last one. Identify the difference of portraits and family portraits. Are you done, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Now, please get your assignment notebook and copy this. Copy this. And I will read the direction. Directions.
Direction.
Cite a drawing
Cite a drawing
that shows
that shows
a portrait
a portrait
and family portraits.
or family portrait.
Now, do you understand our topic this morning?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, this is for today and goodbye. You may now go home.